Hey, can you take a pic of me and my dog? Alright. Weren't you just wearing a shirt? Just take the picture, man. Where the fuck did the dog go? Somebody help us! Don't worry, look, it's Iron Man! That is not Iron Man! What the fuck? Declaration of Independence, who could tell me the year? Yes. 1738! Get the fuck out of my class. Bro, I can easily make people laugh on Vine if I wanted to. Alright, show me what you got. Wait, no. Chicken grill! Let me get a bacon cheeseburger with a side of coleslaw and mashed potatoes. Oh, that sounds so good, Daddy. Fuck! That'll be 8-6. Wait, what the fuck? Good morning, Miss Smith. I have your medication here for you. Hello? Yeah, I fucking quit! Councilman, what are your thoughts on the possibility of a woman as a president? Personally, I believe male or female, it makes no difference. Stop the world! Who the fuck is that? Hey man, you wanna exchange lives? What? Like life for life? How do you even do that? I'm so photogenic. It's photogenic, you stupid bitch. Listen, you don't have to be so misogynistic. Oh my god. Jeffrey, mom needs you to go buy some milk right now. She doesn't live with us anymore, Dad. Well, maybe if we just did what she said, she'd still be fucking here. Fuck you and it's 5:30. Dude, it's just a song. Hey, if you didn't see the news, Hillary won the caucus last night. She won what? The caucus. The caucus. Welcome to Urban Outfitters. Can I help you with your sizes?
Do you even work here?
Can I help you with your sizes? Pac, what's your strategy for Mayweather? I'm encouraged to fight. I'm just gonna focus on him. You wanna fuck him? I'm ready. Hey dude, R for R? I don't usually do Revine for Revine. No, remix for remix. Yes, I wanna do that. Babe, tell me what's wrong. I'm telling you, don't worry about it. I'm never gonna figure it out. Hey, talk to me, man. What's wrong? I just wanna know how to do that loop vine. Hey, you getting the new iPhone 6S? No, it doesn't suck ass. What are you, an Android user? No, iPhone 6S. Fuck yeah, it's gonna be a success. When you're sitting in your car and like, you don't make vines that much anymore. You should post more vines. Come in here, this is where we keep our washer and dryer. Is that a whirlpool or your girl's pool? It's a washing machine. Shout out to my boss, bitches weapon. We need to construct a plan for these refugees. Nobody gives a fuck. Get money. I'm failing this class, dude. I don't know what to do. Say it wasn't you. What? Alright. Picture this, we were both butt naked. Oh, I didn't mean to write that. Dude, do you have... What the fuck are you doing? I didn't mean to write... Me and your mom just had sex. I used the force. Dad. I'm your father as fuck, boy. That's Star Trek. Hi, Mom. Hi, Justin. I love everyone. Thanks, Mom. Even Selena? Nah. Oh, Mom, I don't like you. That's bullshit. Hey, did you take the popcorn out the microwave? Dang. No. No. Not even in the microwave. Explode!
Have you seen my stethoscope?
Really not a good time.
Oh wow.
That's
What?
Going back!